Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we have the opportunity to test the latest generation from one of the most popular electric scooters line, the KuKirin M4 Max 2025 model. This model inherits the successfully M4 and M4 Pro but comes completely redesigned and improved, a more powerful engine, a larger battery, a dual shock absorber system, a modern lighting design that turns into a real urban showstopper. If you are looking for a scooter then can do everything from everyday transportation to weekend adventures on various terrains, this model could delight you. For more details, be sure to watch this KuKirin M4 Max video review. Here we have one of the most popular brands on the European electric scooter market, KuKirin, for review today. The box it comes is clearly robust, with good layers of protection and carefully packed components. Inside we immediately notice the scooter itself, which comes almost completely assembled. The package also includes a 54.6 volt charger with adequate power adapter, a multi-purpose pocket tool for assembly, a pair of screws, and instructions in several languages, and of course the KuKirin M4 Max itself, which is at the first glance seems extremely solid and premium. So we just have to install the rear fender and tighten the steering wheel. It all runs simply and intuitively, and here it is, we are ready to move to the street for testing. The KuKirin M4 Max is designed to act as a tool and not a toy. Clean industrial lines, burns the metal edges on the sides that catch the light and give the impression of a massive craftsmanship. The frame is aluminum alloy designed for maximum strength with a relatively low mass, and the paint finish makes the surface visually resistant to scratches and minor impacts. The platform is wide and long, with the anti-slip layer that resembles to the grip strips on the sport boards. It is a practical and safe solution. Even during sudden braking, your feet stay secure in place. From a static point of the view, details such as the silver metal inserts and the integrated LED stripes give it a retro-futuristic charm that fits perfectly into the urban scene. Everything is designed with a focus on practicality. The steering wheel is height adjustable and the folding system allows you to fold it in just 3 seconds to compact size. KuKirin has installed 800 volt brushless motor in a M4 Max with a peak performance of up to 1000 volt, which provides a very smooth and strong drive. In practice, that means that the scooter accelerates from a standstill with ease and that it moves smoothly even under heavy loads. Thanks to a maximum torque of 27.1 Nm and the engine with up to 1100 RPM, the M4 Max easily overcomes slopes of up to 20 degrees, making city climbs no longer a challenge. In real-world conditions, this engine ensures stable accelerations up to the officially 45 km/h, which places it among the fastest scooters in this class, but it is important to note that in everyday riding it is often wiser to stay in a lower gear setting for longer range and safety. The engine is also optimized for the cooler operation and efficiency, which helps maintain temperature during longer rides. The scooter has 3 driving modes, which can be easily changed via the digital LCD console on the handlebars. Each mode is adapted to different driving conditions and user preferences. Eco mode, 50 km/h. This mode is ideal for relaxed riding, saved battery power and safety in traffic, especially useful for beginners or when moving around pedestrian zones and bike paths. Then we have mode standard, 25 km/h. This mode provides a balanced combination of power and range. perfect for everyday city driving. And we have a sport mode, 45 km per hour, the most powerful mode intended for exceptional riders. It activates the full potential of the 800 watt motor, 1000 watt peak, and allows the maximum acceleration and the power on slopes of up to 20 degrees, ideal for open roads and more demanding terrains where more power and dynamic are needed. On the round LCD digital display, it's possible to monitor which mode is active at any time with the display of a speed, battery level, mileage, and the light status. The KuKirin M4 Max is powered by the 48-watt 18.2 amp-hour lithium battery, which means you can travel up to 64 kilometers on a single charge at medium speed, moderate load. This is enough to use the scooter for a whole week for city driving without the need for daily charging. Charging takes between 9 to 10 hours and the battery is located inside the main frame, protect from moisture and impacts. The system has IP54 certificate, which means that it can easily withstand the water splashes and driving on wet asphalt. KuKirin uses high-quality cells known for their longevity and stable operation, so the battery retains the capacity even after hundreds of charging cycles. You can always check the exactly charge level on the remaining battery voltage on the digital screen. Like its most expensive competitions, the M4 Max uses a double front fork with a 4-way shock absorber system, while at the rear there are two large red springs that further absorb shocks. Combined with the 10-inch airless tires, the ride becomes extremely comfortable even on the uneven terrain, sidewalks and gravel paths. The tires are tubeless, puncture resistant and provide excellent contact with the surface, while the profile provides a good stability even at the higher speeds. Even when riding on a poor asphalt, the scooter behaves calmly and does not transmit vibrations to the handlebars, which shows how well the shock absorbers are adjusted. Under the platform is a chassis height of 30.5 cm, which provides enough space for easily pass over curbs and smaller obstacles. The M4 Max comes with complete lighting, which includes a powerful front light with a 60-degree lighting angle, a rear red light and the turn signals on both sides. What makes it special, it is an integrated ambient lighting system that runs along the sides of the scooter and allows the display of 7 colors and 8 dynamic effects, at the same time attractive and very safe. Safety is further enhanced by the dual braking system, which combines front and rear disc brakes and the electronic brake that helps with stopping and emergency recovery. The electronic ABS system helps provides when locking, ensuring the scooter maintains stability and control during the sudden stops. The result is a soft but decisive braking with the shorter stopping distances and greater safety in all driving conditions, whether it is downhill, driving around town or avoid obstacles. One of the key innovations of the M4 Max version is completely new digital console with a round color LCD screen and the integrated multifunctional display. It displays a speed, battery level, current driving mode, light status and system errors in real time, has high brightness and is perfectly readable even under bright sunlight. There is the ergonomic handle with the so-called finger hook throttle characteristic of the KuKirin series, which allows precise and easy acceleration control. Next to it are buttons for charging speed, modes and turning on the device, while on the top there is a safety lock with a key which prevents unauthorized starting of the scooter. This system further increases safety, especially in urban conditions where the scooter can be parked in public places. On the left side are buttons for the lights, horn and direction indicators. The controls are simple, intuitive and fast. After a few minutes you feel like you have been riding it for years. The handlebar is adjustable in height and has a comfortable rubberized finish that provides a firm grip even on the longer rides. The KuKirin M4 Max 2025 model is not just another electric scooter, it's a complete solution for daily commuting, city transportation or weekend adventures. It offers a powerful engine, a longer range, exceptional comfort and a modern design that attracts attention. Its combined suspension system, advanced console, 7-color ambient lights and a quick folding make it one of the most balanced scooters in this mid-range class. It's no wonder that KuKirin is one of the best-selling scooter brands across Europe. If you are looking for a scooter that combines power, stability and elegance, the KuKirin M4 Max is a choice that will not disappoint you. It is really for all terrains, from concrete pavements and gravel paths, and looks impressive at the same time. You can buy it at a lower price with the coupon code in the official KuKirin store. The sales link is right below this video. Just to mention, these models usually sells out before the new shipment arrives, so hurry up and grab your KuKirin M4 Max today. If you like this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell because soon there will be a new reviews of the most powerful electric scooters on the market. Until then, bye.